My name's Emily Schmalz. I practice in Rochester, Minnesota. I'm a periodontist, and I previously took Dr. Pikos' advanced bone grafting course last year. I'm back again for the sinus course. I found the advanced bone grafting course really rewarding, and I've taken a lot of Dr. Pikos' pearls, and experience, and applied them to my own practice. Certain things like using auto-tack system. I used to suture down all my membranes. It took a lot longer, and so now this is much more efficient, fast, shorter treatment time for patients. Also how I use a lot of the growth factors that I was previously using. I still use the same ones, but differently to have more predictable results. As far as what I've learned thus far, in the couple days I've been here for this sinus graft course, I mean, kind of the same thing. Dr. Pikos has all kinds of different, tips and tricks to just make your treatment more predictable, more successful, easier on the patient, which is really all we want, is something that's going to work well, that's going to be predictable for patients and provide patients great care. I've taken quite a few other courses, through other practitioners, institutes, Spear, things like that, and every time I've come here, I always, really feel like everything that I use, I can be applied to private practice, is realistic, and it are things that I can implement, the next week. It's not like, oh, I need to get all of these other things set up first in order to make it successful or to be able to use it. So that's one thing I really appreciate about, how he presents things and how he uses different techniques.